What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is your first time touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. As you all know by now, there was no Supreme drop today. Week 2 got pushed back a week, so it will take place next week, which means I'll be coming at you all with my drop list and release recap next week. I do weekly Supreme videos. Subscribe so that you don't miss that. Since there was no drop today, I figured why not show you all what I picked up in week 1. So I have one package here. One is going to be delivered today, which of course I'll edit into this video as well, so you could just watch it all at one time. Before I open this up, I will say as far as stickers go, I am hoping for that pink camouflage BOGO sticker. Hopefully that's in this package or the one that's arriving today. Let's go ahead and get into this one. Starting with what's right on top, the free gift this season is this rubberized pair of gloves. Now I actually want to see the quality on these, and I don't plan on selling them, so I'm going to open them up. They look like a pair of like work gloves or cleaning gloves. Yeah, that's exactly what they are. So they aren't like super crazy quality, but it's better than like the latex gloves I thought we were going to get. That's what the picture made it look like. And there it is, the rubberized gloves that are a free gift this season. I don't know if Supreme did this because of COVID and everything. Everybody's wearing masks and gloves. Definitely wear a mask if you're going outside. So I don't know if this was kind of a nod to that, but I definitely think if it was, that's pretty funny. I don't know exactly how much use I'll get out of these, but it is one of the better Supreme gifts. It's definitely not bouncy ball level, but it is better than that ballpark poncho they gave out last season. With the gloves out of the way, let's look at this sticker pack. I'm going to flip it towards the camera so we can see it at the same time. I'm hoping for that pink camouflage BOGO. 1, 2, 3. Damn. No pink camouflage BOGO sticker. I have a regular red BOGO in here. I have the Verify sticker and the Stay Positive Supreme in Spirit sticker. Hopefully that pink camo sticker is in the package that's coming today. Let's get into these t-shirts. First up, we have the Supreme Verify tee, and I did pick this up in a heather gray small. Fight! People were trying to like downplay this shirt, I think, just because they couldn't get it, but it actually is pretty cool. Like Supreme capture shirt, Supreme verified shirt. Anyone who's ever been on the Supreme website knows that feeling. I just think it's funny. Like, it's a dope tee. But I'm looking at it right now and it's a medium. They sent me the wrong size. I'll go ahead and put it up to the camera. As you can see, that is a medium right there. I needed a small because it's for the personal. Hopefully somebody in my cook group will want to trade, or somebody in general. Next is the Fedora tee in the woodland camo. This is the only colorway of the shirt that I actually wanted. I think the red goes really nice with the woodland camo. You can see it has Supreme on the front. And on the back, it says Justice for All. At first, I was not going to pick up one of the Fedora tees, but I do like the message on the back as well as the color combo. So I'm glad I went ahead and picked this up. Last but definitely not least, we have an item that is doing pretty well currently resale-wise, and that is the Bicycle Clear playing cards. Now, I did say in my drop list video that this was going to be one of the best accessories this season because they were priced so well. They were $18. So if you pick these up, I think they're currently going for about 60 bucks. That is a great profit margin. There might be a bit of a reflection. You'll see the camera behind there, but yeah, it is a bicycle playing card. This is the king, as you can see. And on the front of the card, it says Supreme on the top and at the bottom. You have a Supreme box logo underneath the card's face. So right underneath the king, it says Supreme. And then you have your typical like card branding, the king in the 4 corners. These are pretty nice in hand. I'm glad I picked them up. It's one of the only accessories that I'm really excited for this season. So yeah, the Bicycle Clear playing cards. And they come in a little carrying case, as you saw. I'll give you all a better look at that. So that's package number 1. Package 2 is on the way, but you don't have to wait. You're going to be seeing it right now. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm hoping that that pink BOGO sticker is in here. Sticker package right on top. As you can see, no pink camouflage BOGO, but we do have a red BOGO in there. And then we also have the tire logo. And I believe that's a Jet sticker behind there. I'm going to go ahead and try and move it around a little bit. There goes the Jet sticker right there. So a Jet sticker, tire sticker, and a regular red box logo. Let's go ahead and throw that to the side. Then we have another pack of the rubberized gloves. I'm probably going to include this one and one of the sticker packs in the trade that I make for the small verified tee, since I have a medium. I don't need 2 of these, so it's not gonna hurt me at all. Now let's get into the tee. We have the Lovers tee in the ash gray this time. I really like this graphic. I thought it was a little slept on. So you have the cherub right there. I believe that's what they're called. And then it says For Lovers in green with the Supreme right under it. I think it's one of the better tees that released week 1. I know people really like that jet tee, but this is much more my style. I do kind of regret not picking up the rayon. It was a piece that I was gonna go for initially, but I don't know what happened. I just kind of changed my mind and I didn't go for it. But I am a little regretful right now, so that might be something that I go back and pick up. If I do, you all will definitely see it in a pickups video or a haul video. Maybe I'll just throw it into next week's haul. All in all, I have to say week 1 was a solid week. It usually is, since there's so many pieces dropping. You're bound to find something that you like. My 2 favorite pieces, I have to say, from what I picked up are definitely the cards and the Fedora tee in that woodland camo. I am a little salty about that pink camouflage box logo sticker, but hey, it's the luck of the draw. It is what it is. In between filming the second package and the first package, I did go ahead and film the Cook Group Scams video. So for everyone who voted that they wanted to see that video in the poll that I recently did, that video will be coming out this weekend. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I'll check you all out in the next one.